It is 21st anniversary of false flag operation today carried out by India on its parliament to defame Pakistan and Kashmir freedom movement. A report released by the research section of Kashmir Media Service in connection with the day said India has a history of orchestrating false flag operations to achieve its nefarious designs, and the 13 December 2001 attack was also one among a series of such operations. The report also mentioned Samjotha Express blast, Pathankot, Uri, Pulwama and Jammu and Kashmir airbase attacks as some other false flag operations staged by India. All Parties Hurriyat Conference has denounced Indian judiciary for conspiring together with Modi regime in denying justice to Hurriyat leaders languishing in Indian jails without any crime. The APHC spokesman in a statement issued in Srinagar said independent judiciary no longer exists in the present day India. He said this while responding to the dismissal by a Delhi court of bail applications filed by senior APHC leader Nayeem Ahmad Khan and women leaders Aasiya, Andrabi and Fehmeeda Sofi yesterday. Perturbed by a strongly worded statement of Organization of Islamic Cooperation Secretary General on Kashmir, India condemned his visit to Azad Jammu and Kashmir and his comments on human rights situation in the occupied Kashmir. OIC Secretary General Hussain Brahim Taha visited parts of Azad Kashmir on Sunday in an attempt to dilute the embarrassment stemming out from the OIC chief statement. Indian Foreign Ministry spokesman Arindam Bakshi said, "We strongly condemn the visit of OIC Secretary General to Azad Jammu and Kashmir and his comments on Jammu and Kashmir during his visit to Pakistan." A camp of Central Reserve Police Force and a tin shed were damaged in a fire incident in Indranagar area of Srinagar on Tuesday morning. The fire broke out from the top floor of 73 Battalion CRPF camp at Indranagar this morning. The fire was timely put off, however, top floor of the camp was completely damaged and a tin shed were also damaged in the incident. An all-party Hurriyat Conference Azad Jammu and Kashmir delegation headed by convener Mahmood Ahmad Sagar met OIC Assistant Secretary General Yusuf Aldobe and presented him a memorandum on India's anti-Kashmiris measures in the occupied Kashmir. The OIC dignitary was informed about banning of religious and political organizations and closure of schools.